All right, we have the pencil drawing done for our card, and I have two gel pens. I have some sort of pink color. This is an Spica Pink Twilight Glitter. This is from the Copic, same company that makes Copic markers, so that's cool. And this is a jelly roll, and it's just a blue one. Your colors, whatever colors you have, I just have two of them. And because I have a blue and a pink, I figured I'd make a Santa. If I had green and yellow, I'd probably do maybe a Christmas tree with a star or something like that. All right, so if you want to see the pencil drawing, you can watch video 1. But here we go. Let's see what we can do with this. So I'm going to try to use the pink for like the red. Yeah, for the reds, for like his hat. And here I'm just breaking the line, trying to show the texture of the hat, but also show his hair. And drawing him. And these are neat. These pens, it's kind of like a fine point paint pen. And there's that. Oh, well, that's it for the, oh no, we'll do the pom-pom here. And I'm going to break that up also to see what that looks like. And I think that's, we'll come back with the blue. And we're going to see how this pink one works. And look on the pen. This one says do not drop or shake, and when you're done using it, lay it flat. Oh, this is nice. And maybe this one maybe I color in. I'm not sure exactly, but let's see what we get to. And I'm just following my lines. And what you might want to do is, if you have an eraser before this step with the pencil, maybe just go over your pencil lines really lightly with the eraser just to get rid of some of the pencil. Just to see just so there's a little less of it. And now we're going to go over these. And I'm just following my lines. This pen flows very nicely. That's why we like them. Don't have to push hard, you don't have to shake them. They just work. Just like the jelly roll. And not that there's anything wrong with having to shake some other paint pens, because that's just what you do with them. Okay. And now we're going to do the 2020 double, just so it's a little thicker. And then I think we're going to color in the Xmas with the pink. And we're going to do this pink. And I'll do the apostrophe in the blue, just 'cause. All right, so I'm going to color in his hat. And one of the things I'm going to do is I'm going to do lines, but I'm going to keep the top edge white to kind of show like a highlight. And I'm leaving some of the paper showing through because I want it to be a little sketchy looking. Yep. And I think I'm going to color in the Xmas also. All right, that's colored in. And I'm going to make the mask outline just a little thicker. All right. And maybe I'm going to draw little circles. Okay. Just adding some white, some of those pink dots around the border. Now we'll just go in and add the apostrophe. And I think we're about done, except I'm going to use this soft pastel pen, an Edding pastel pen white. And we also included some black paper, which I'll show you in a demo later. So this, I'm going to try doing it on the Xmas to see what it looks like. It's light. It does not cover, but I think it's supposed to be that way. So you go over it again and again. So let's see what it says. Soft white? Yeah, semi-transparent. Yep. Okay. So we're going to let that dry for a second. Go back in, and I'm just going to try just at the tops. Oh yeah, it's coming up. That'll be a faint, kind of like a little snow on there maybe. This is kind of neat actually. And I'm keeping some of the pink on the side so the letters are still there, but I'm going to go back in around there just to make sure the letter stays visible. All right, I thought we were done, but I think I'm going to do some more. I'm going to make these letters, the Xmas letters, a little bit more to them. I'm going to make them some 3D. So I'm just going like this. And you just want to do it at the same angle for every vertical, the part that's coming out. And then these lines, you stay lined up with the letters. Okay. So I'm going to do that. That's going to be with the blue. And I'm just going to outline them first to see what that looks like. Just so you don't have to watch me color it all in. I'm going to color it in. Okay. So that is going to look neat. So I'll do that. But I also wanted to, with this white space back here, I was going to add some snowflakes. And that's nice because it just adds a little more Christmassy sparkle, I guess. And then we'll go in and finish that. And I'm also going to go in and try to see. Yep, I might even go around the letters in blue. Oh no, if I fill it in, I won't need to. So that'll be good. So that's, I'm going to color that in now. I think I'm going to add a couple more little snowflakes, maybe 2 or 3 in the back. And they're just going to be small without the little dots. On the top of the letters again, to see if that, it's just going to make it look a little bit like a shine, like a highlight. Just makes it a little lighter at the top. Kind of a neat effect. All right, there you are. Thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed this Smile It's Christmas 2020 card. I think we have to or we're going to go bonkos. And I hope you have a great month. Hope you had a great Thanksgiving. And if you love it, please tell your friends about Smile, Create, Repeat. Your referrals mean a lot to us, so thank you so much in advance, and have a great month, and remember to smile, create, repeat.